with Manik and Pranav, and it's 7th of January 2022, and it happens to be our first road trip for the year, and it has to be the mountains. So we are going up the hills, and we have no destination in mind as of now. We might go to Mukteshwar, we might go to Noguchia Tal or Sattal or even Nainital for that matter. It was like the most perfect day for us to head up in the mountains. Visiting little quaint towns in the laps of nature is the perfect getaway from noisy urban life. It was a lovely sunny day, and the sky was stuffed with white cotton candy clouds. And the mountains always welcomes you with open arms of serenity, peace, and bliss. After a drive of around an hour, we reached Bhimtal, a pretty little town in the district of Nainital. It was in Bhimtal that we decided our final destination and took a bypass from the city and headed further up. Once we had crossed Bhavali, we entered into a thick patch of deodar trees topped with the magical blue skies. We decided to take a quick pit stop and relax and breathe in the pure air from the mountains. It felt as if nature's peace was flowing into me just as the sunshine flows into the trees and the winds blowing their own freshness into me. After that refreshing break, we drove ahead higher up in the mountains, and then we finally arrived at our destination, Mukteshwar. So we are at the Chandi Mati Cafe, and it's pretty cold and windy, so we're preferring to sit inside, although I would love to sit outside on these benches, but the weather is cold. So we are basking out in the sun at the Chandi Mati Cafe. It's just turned out to be a bright sunny day. The cloudy patch is gone, and hopefully it should be gone for a long time because we need to eat our Maggie and sandwiches out in the sun and not inside. And that's how the view looks like. The boys with me in front. The sun, the cloudy patch, the cafe, and it's a lovely Friday afternoon. And after that yummy Maggie and coffee break, we drove further ahead into the laps of nature and entered the main city. So now we are walking towards the Choli Ki Chali, and this is the exact place where I and Pranav's pre-wedding photo shoot was done. This was the location where we shot on the song Wildfire, and it brings back a lot of memories. And there we were in the Choli Ki Chali. It's a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Many people visit this place for sightseeing and the adrenaline-pumping rock climbing experience. The view from the cliffs is stunning, and the emerald green hills are a balm to the soul. And I feel like I'm on the top of the world! Enriched with nature's beauty, this place will transport you to a different world altogether. Hey guys, so our trip for Mukteshwar is done, and it was one of the best times that we had there, all three of us together. And now since the weather is good and it's just 3 in the afternoon, so we thought of taking a pit stop at Nainital and hogging on the momos and the Tibetan food. Hi guys, so we are finally in Nainital and it's a nice chilly cold evening and it's almost about sunset and you can see down there's so many fishes down the lake. It looks lovely, a typical wintry chilly scene in Nainital. So it's almost about sunset and all three of us are heading from Talital to Malital on a rickshaw ride. Such nice cold wind is blowing and very less touristy traffic. It's a great evening to be together. And an Nainital trip isn't complete without eating a blackcurrant ice cream. Can I have some?
Indeed.
I had never seen Nainital Road this empty and trust me, we were enjoying every bit of it. So we are at Nainital Market now and we are heading towards Spicy Affair to hog on momos and chicken thukpa. Can't wait, it's going to be the best meal of the day. And that's where our destination is, the Spicy Affair. It was almost 7 by the time we had our meals, and it was now time to say goodbye to the lake city of Nainital and head back home. And with this, officially, our today's trip comes to an end. We went to Mukteshwar in the morning and then we had a good chill time in Nainital. Enjoyed the chilly vibes here. Now
We
it's
tried
time
to do everything that we could in the limited time that we got.
had. Yeah, and now it's time to head back home. And yeah, see you again. Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.
From the lake city of Uttarakhand.